This is the example for a V-notch Weir application. You will see that you're allowed to select the angle that you want and just simply put the input data here. You have the angle, you have the width of the channel, you have the length of the channel, you have a default coefficient, and in this case we've entered 18 inches for the top width, and automatically it calculates the width of the channel. So the top notch is 18, the top width would be 62.5. We also go further down and we can see that in this case we've entered the depth of flow and the flow is calculated. You have the ability to change this from feet to inches, okay? You have the ability here to change this from cubic feet per second to gallons per day to gallons per minute, which is 244. I'll leave that set. And then, of course, we can also change this from inches to feet, but I'll leave it in inches. The app will calculate out the measured depth, the notch height, the approach width, and determine whether or not it's okay. The length, whether or not it's okay. It'll do the ratio of the height to the width and the tank length. Also, in order to create a graph, you're able to enter the max, minimum, and the step values for the particular Weir you have configured. It also calculates out specific Weir calculation coefficients, so you can, if you want, you can do a reality check. I will go back up here to the V-notch and I will show you how this works. I will go, let's change this. I go in here and I backspace and I'll make this 45 degrees and I'll solve it. And you'll see that now it's doing 177 inches, okay? You'll see that this is invertible, so I can go back here and backspace and make this 6 inches, or let's do this. Let's backspace and clear it, and let's make this 125 gallons a minute, and let's find out if the level we're measuring is correct, and it tells me I should be measuring 6.95. So this app, which is available online and can be used on a smartphone, tablet, or a computer, will allow you to do it. Now I've changed this to a 45-degree angle, and therefore what I'd like to do is to change this from 1 million to, let's say, 100,000, and let's make this, instead of 50,000, 5,000, and the step, let's make that 5,000. And you'll see that in solving it that we now have a different curve. So you're able to generate the exact calibration curve for the Weir that you have in the field. Other invertibility is the fact that if you measure the top width in the field, and let's just say that we'll clear this, and we'll make this 24, and we'll see what it does, and we'll solve it, and you'll see it at 12. So it does all these calculations for you when you have it on your smartphone, on your tablet, or on your computer. Thank you. Oh, I forget how to save the fucking